May swerte daw yan sa love. So right after the blessing of the priest inside the church or the minister, all the single ladies like you would run to the bride and rip it off. Pinupunit nila yung wedding gown and they keep a little piece that serves as lucky charm or anting-anting. So what happens next as the ladies would run to the bride would run out of the church and eventually toss the bouquet. Nahagis niya yung bouquet sa pagtakbo niya. So, since this is already 2014, dito na raw nalipat yung charm sa love. So, whoever gets this bouquet will get the chance to be falling in love really soon or probably tying a knot sooner or later. Pero before anything else, ladies, I'd like you to meet Richard. Richard's gone. Alright, Richard, for your benefit, let me get to know the ladies one by one. I'm sorry for the relatives of Richard, kasi medyo awkward kapag kasali kayo. So let's wait until the next wedding. Hi, what's her name? Jamie. My mom told me never to ask a woman about her age, so I'm not gonna ask you kung ilang taon. Probably what you do, yung mga usual na tinatanong lang nun, except for the age. So, what do you do in life?
Go work.
Nag-work saan?
TESDA.
TESDA. Talaga? You know what I want to... Sa school ka mismo nag-work?
Hindi. Provincial office.
In TESDA Provincial Office. May boyfriend ka na ba?
Meron.
Sino?
Si Richard.
Ah! Siya ba? Kaya pala kinikilig ka. Uy, kinikilig. Sabi niyo, mabakasal na kami, my God. Oh, pero girl, alam mo na, 1, 2, 4 ang kalaban mo. Tingnan natin kung may laban ka. Mukhang may abante ka naman ng konti. Abante ka. Alright, yan, dito ka, yan. Hi, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Simon.
Hi, would you like to say anything? Carol, I'd like you to meet Richard, the boyfriend of this lady. Dapat di ka sumali para masaya. Carol, what do you do?
I'm a general ledger specialist too, for an accounting.
Sorry? Everyone's accountant here. Mostly. Buti magaling ako mag-English, no? Hindi ako magaling sa math eh. Actually, yun talaga yung weakness ko eh. I don't even know how to divide manually, yung ganun. I don't know. So, may boyfriend na ba?
Wala pa.
You should be counting boys. Ano ka ba? Bakit?
Because I'm waiting for God's best.
Natutulong ba ang Diyos? I hope that the good Lord would send you the best man. No? He'll definitely send you. I think you're a nice girl. Pakiay yung BIR ko pag-usapan natin. Hi, what's your name? Rochelle. You know, all of my ex-girlfriends are voluptuous. Lahat sila medyo, yung mas rapihag. May boyfriend ka na ba?
Meron.
Loser. Sino?
Kuya Igo.
Hala, Igo! Ito pala yun! Hala! Eh, nag-propose na ba? No? Ilang years na kayo?
Magpa-5.
Magpa 5 years. Matagal na rin yun, ha? How old are you, Igo? 27! Just a perfect age to get married. Sana. Diba? Okay, paano ba nag-propose? Mag-yes ka kaya?
Oo. Napag-usapan namin kung oo, hindi ako.
Ganon. Showbiz lang. Pero kinilig ako ng a little bit when he said yes. I really love proposals. It makes me blush. Kadiri. Hi, what's your name?
Minerva.
Minerva! I really like the name Minerva. It's so Spanish. What does it mean?
Goddess of wisdom. Goddess of wisdom.
Goddess of wisdom. Wow, so you're full of wisdom. What do you do in life?
I'm an accounting supervisor in SM.
Accounting super BFF. Di ba they do that? Like, is it hard to work with SM? Hard to work? Everyone's from SM pa? You guys? Dati, the owner of SM is really ridiculous. Joke lang. Kasi ang mahal maningil eh. Like, so you have a boyfriend?
Wala po, single.
Single? Why are you single?
I don't know.
If, ako, I mean, I've met you only now, pero if I were to ask you, what are the qualities you're looking for?
Wala, basta pag dumating na.
Pag dumating na, kahit konti lang, syempre lahat naman tayo. Paano kung ang dumating sa'yo, si Bentong, ganyan, okay lang ba yun? O kaya, nagpakilala sa'yo, ano mo? Ganon. Dapat mayroong qualities, di ba? Ano mga, kahit tatlo lang, medium lang, ganyan. Anong katangian?
Tall.
Tall. Sa skin color, gusto mo ba ng dark or fair or white?
Fair.
Fair! Gusto mo ba ng medyo chinito or medyo bilugan yung mata?
Sinito.
Chinito, ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce my very good friend, Ginoong Santa Rosa, 2000 and Minerva. Minerva, I'd like you to meet Antonio. Di pa pa nga. Minerva, oh. Antonio. Antonio, my ex-boyfriend. Balikan na ba? Mga ganon. Pero baksak dapat, hindi naman gwapo masyado. Alright, thank you Minerva for being with us. And, hi, what's your name?
And Faye.
Faye. Faye, what do you do?
I'm a budget associate.
Project Associate. Sa which company?
Festival.
Festival? Parang puro mall kayo. No? Do you have a special someone? Wala? Bakit naman?
I don't know. I don't know.
Sige. Qualities ulit. Meron pa bang lalaki dyan? Ay, parang wala. Joke lang. Sino? Si Toyo. Asan si Toyo? Grabe. Love team. Ako, mag-isip-isip ka din, ano? Sana you find your perfect someone. Tonight, ladies, we are going to play a game for the couple to make this night much more memorable and fun for everybody. So, I'm gonna put a chair in the middle. So, alam nyo na kung anong game do, di ba?
You better move, you better dance. Let's make a night you won't remember. I'll be the one you won't forget.
Yon, ganon. So she's out of the game. Ay, sweetheart, wait lang. Sample lang kasi yung sample. Tingnan ko lang kung marunong kayo sumayaw. So, kulang pa yung movements. Kailangan na-exert yung sayaw para masaya. Pero you know what? I find this game a little boring because these are ladies now eh. They're no longer kids. Palitan na lang. You want to change the game? Probably I'm going to invite my good friend, ayan, Richard, to sit in the middle of the chair. Kailangan natin doon, ako ba? Ayan, put your hands at your back. Oh, syempre, kahit may girlfriend ka na, tikim-tikim. Ay, dito ba? Alright, so ladies, you would have to do the same game, same mechanics, go around. Once you hear the music, stop, sit down. But let me just again remind you that Richard here, my friend, is a person, is not a thing. So, hindi siya stuffed toy. Kaya, please be a little gentle because there might be some hard parts in this game. So, kailangan medyo dahan-dahan lang yung i-feel natin ang pagkubo, ha? Okay, so this game is no longer called Trip to Jerusalem because I coined this game, Break His Egg. Hit it, DJ! Come on, ladies!
Get jazzy on that flight that you get on International.
Upo din. Hindi porket hindi na upo no? Thank you so much for joining. Alright, hit it, DJ! Grabe, mga ilang mahal.
Passport, make it hard to live.
Oh, wait, kayo grabe. Alam mo kung usapin mo ito mamaya, iba yung pagkakaupo eh. Parang sinasakto eh. Hit it! I'm sorry, nauna ka. Thank you for joining. And of course, we only have 2 contenders left. Ayan. O, ikot-ikot na.
Let's get on with it. International.
Ayan.
First class seat on my lap, girl. Riding comfortable. Cause I know what that girl that need.
Congratulations! Ay, palakpakan naman natin. Grabe. Congrats. Picture. Siyempre, upo ka muna dito, Shard, to place the garter to Jamie. To Jamie's neck. Naman ko, nanay. Taas mo. Galing. Alright, a big hand for Jamie Richard. Guys, picture naman. Alright, is there anything that you would like to impart to everyone who breaks your event? At syempre, yung message nyo naman sa isa't isa now that the ceremony and the reception is over. Of course, this is a much more serious time.
Hello po, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Okay ba kayo? Antok na kayo? Wait lang ha. Hindi, gusto po namin magpasalamat ni Max sa inyong lahat sa pagpunta mo dito. Thank you po. Kasi ito po yung pinakamahalagang araw sa aming pareho. Salamat po kasi 42 kayo ditong lahat. And syempre, gusto ko din magpasalamat sa mga suppliers namin. Kay Jim of Creative Moments. Thank you, Jim. Jim, thank you so much. And dun sa mga makeup artists, Calaveron, and sa staff din niya. Then, syempre sa Villa Lunina, kay Miss Sheila. Thank you so much sa inyo lahat. At gusto ko din magpasalamat sa aking parents, kala nanay at kay tatay. Thank you sa inyo. Thank you po. Mahal ko po kayong dalawa. Sa kanya po muna ako. And thank you din po kay mama at kay papa po. Thank you po sa inyo. Thank you. And of course, to my one and only. Thank you so much, baby, for everything. Thank you for being so faithful, for your faithfulness. Maraming salamat kasi napatunayan ko na mahal mo talaga ako nung alam mo na, nung umalis ako. Thank you so much. Thank you, baby. I love you so much.
Hello po, good evening po sa lahat. Yun po, alas na po salamatan ng din po ni Haji lahat. Nais ko lang din po ulit magpasalamat po sa lahat ng dumating. Hindi na po namin may isa-isa. So, yun, kay Haji, ang masasabi ko lang, yun naman natin yung sinabi ng mga magulang natin sa atin. Silang sinabi na hindi makakabuti para sa atin. So, yung mga advice nila, hindi natin yun para maging mas pa yung relationship natin. Of course, kailangan talaga God-centered. So, yun. Thank you din sa love na binibigay mo, yung sweetness, lalo na every time na mag-split na tayo, lagi kasi siyang nakahag sa akin pagka yung magtulog na. So, napaka-sweet niya. So, I love you so much.
Yes. Maksa. So, bago kayo ikinasal, nagsama na kayo. Oh, hindi na booking. Lagi kayo nag-check-in. Ganyan. Joke lang. Kasi laligan na to. Apartment. You live together. Parang ganyan. 2 months. Parang just to get to know each other. That's very, very nice. Where did you go? Qatar. Excuse me, mag-usap-usap lang kami. Tapos, joke. Alright, so in behalf of Creative Moments, Lawrence Sugon Photography, Ms. Veronta Nael, Facebook, and of course, William Leotila, WDM's events, we would like to thank you for inviting all of us. I am not in the position to give you anything. I mean, any advice. Kasi as an 18-year-old boy, Siyempre, hindi naman ako married, so probably the best that I could give are the words coming from my dear parents. Sabi nila, wala daw talagang formula sa perfect relationship. All you have to do is just to be yourself. Even if you are married, probably get a little bit more serious in life. Even if you're married, you should not change the way you act or the way you treat each other. Because in the first place, yun yung minahal nyo sa isa't isa. So keep all those judgment text messages, corny tampuhan, yung mga selos na ganyan. Because definitely, that will spice up the relationship. And of course, above everything else, you have to put God in the center of your life. Because once you have the Lord Jesus in your life, nothing will go astray. And everything absolutely good will follow. Congratulations, thank you for having us. Salamat! Thank you. Usap tayo mamaya. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, once again, palakpakan po natin, Mr. and Mrs. Renmark and Hannah Copioso. My name is Michael Bristol. Good night and God bless you all.
I can't win, I can't reign, I will never win this game without you, without you. I am lost, I am vain, I will never be the same without you, without you.